Hello, welcome to Monday. This is a good Monday, right? Because it's the Monday before spring break. And I was supposed to be at the beach this weekend for my daughter's spring break kickoff, but I'm not. So I thought I'd feel like I'm at the beach. Anyway, so that's why I'm not here. I was took a RTO day and didn't get to go anywhere, but I thought I'd still take my time off. So let me share with you what we are doing today. All right, so here is my presentation that we would have had in class today. So welcome to Monday. This is March 30th. I'm Mrs. Newman, and this is every single class period. And this week we have 2 assignments as normal. And the first one is our magnetic and electric field lines virtual lab. Good news about this lab, excuse me, it is a lot of multiple choice and very little writing. So y'all will be excited to know about that. And then this is going to be our last EOC vocab quiz, J, this week. And think of that as your final exam, IA6 vocab quiz. All right, so for the lab, we are covering standard 10C, which is plan and carry out investigations, determine the relationship between magnetism and the movement of electric charge. And so this is pretty typical. It is a Google Doc assignment, and you can find that in your modules under 330. And then the virtual lab is right above it, just like in the picture there. So open up your lab, the Google Doc, and then run the virtual lab. So I'm going to show you, stop sharing this, and start showing you how to find this stuff, just in case you're unsure of how to find it. And you may have noticed that it said day 1 at the beginning. That's because we're also going to do this on our block day this week. All right, so here I am. I should student view this. We'll see what happens when I do that. Okay, so now I'm doing it as my student. So I'm going to go to my modules. And then I'm going to scroll down. Look, I've got instructional cycle 6 open. And I'm going to look for 330. Oh, look, there, 330. So look, there's a virtual lab, right? The assignment, reflect on the lab. If you're struggling with the conclusion questions on the lab, that is the place to go. Hint, hint, hint. All right, so, and if you're honors, you see the honors lab. If you're in on-level physical science, you see the regular lab. So you're going to click on the lab document to open it up. It gives you the purpose here, question, the independent and dependent variables, a little summary. And then here it says load the lab in a new window. You're going to click on that. And then you'll have that in one window, which doesn't work for me because I'm not a student. This is a fake student that I have here. All right, then I'm going to go back to my modules and click on the virtual lab. And so then you're going to go, and this would be your Google Doc that you see there. I suppose I could have pulled up the actual lab. Oh, and yeah, leave student view, definitely. Okay, so I'm on step 9, but you'll be back on step 1. All right. So We're going to go through the entire lab. This time we're not stopping at part, but all these labs are little pieces and they're pretty straightforward. And so if you have any questions, please write them down, and then on block day tomorrow or Wednesday, I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. And we can do any part of this that you want to do together. I have a feeling you guys will be able to do pretty well on your own. So if you have any questions, write them down or send me an email. And I will see you on block day. I will answer my email first thing in the morning on Tuesday. So if you send me an email, I won't be replying to it today. I'll be replying to it tomorrow. All right, happy Monday, and I will see you guys tomorrow or the next day.